All right, guys. This is Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson here. And I had a question the other day. It was how would you clean 12 gauge, right? I'm not going to use the 12 gauge today because I let my brother borrow it. But I will use this rifle. Doesn't even have the trigger inside. So it's totally empty, guys. But I will be using this rifle. This is a Wildcat Winchester. Of course, I got the scope go along with it, so it works pretty well. But what you want to do first off, and I already took the bottom piece out so that you would be able to see, right? Okay, so you got your cleaner, and let's say that you needed a bore cleaner. You can look that up on Amazon for about $15 to $20, depending on your budget. But it would look like this. So this is going to be a lot bigger than the one that they would use for the pistols. It's going to be a lot thicker. See? And you would stick that through the bore here, the nozzle. You always want to go the same way. Your projectile will come out of the rifle or the bore. So you will go in and then come out. Even after you take the shotgun apart. Again, I don't have my shotgun with me. If I did, I would show you exactly. But when you're oiling it, you want to oil anything that is metal on the inside. You don't want to put too much oil. And I'll show you exactly what I mean. So you want to put a dab. You have like little creases in there. Like right here. You just put like that much. It's not even that much. Right? So then you want to have your cleaner with you, which I'm slipping. Hold on. Ugh. Okay. So it's cheaper and you get to use it multiple times. If you want to use a t-shirt, an old t-shirt, you just oil down that piece, oil it down in there in the grooves, get the dirt out. You're just getting the grime so that you don't have any misfire, any backfire, and so it'll shoot smoother. So you just want to dab in all the little creases areas that the gun may rub, right? You don't have to oil down the trigger or anything like that. And if you're not too confident in doing it, that is okay. See, oil down where the springs are. If you got springs in there, which you should, oil that down. You can always go to a gun shop or something like that, or like a firing range or gun range, and they can clean it for you. You're probably gonna pay like 50, 75, $100, if that's what you want to do. That's only if you're not too confident in cleaning it yourself, or if you have a friend that probably knows how to clean it. But you just rub that oil on there. You don't need to over oil it because then that'll contribute to the grime and it will contribute to, the gunk. But you do want to get enough oil on there so it's smooth. And then you want to have some CLP. Make sure you get something that will it breaks down the grime, cleans the dirt off because you want to keep it clean. So you'll have clean oil on there. It's like, see, I just put like a little drops. It wasn't like a whole bunch, literally a little drops. You don't want to put too much on there, right? Now, if I wanted to break this down even further, I could, but I'm not. I'm just doing a little simple clean. I think I shot this like, 3 weeks ago? But that's all you want to do. And then you'll be good to go. Let it sit. For how long? Not really, it don't have to be like a couple of days or anything. I would say like an hour or so, maybe 30 minutes or so. Right after you clean it, you'll be ready to go. All right, this is Deshaun Ripley Johnson showing you how to clean a gun. Be safe. Peace.